I came across a news article, si Willie Revillame, si sa PTV for ba yun, sa IBC? May any development?
Yes, Your Honor. We are presently in negotiation with Willie Revillame. Together with Ms. Ana, we pursued the agreement with Willie Revillame because we would like to bring the government station to the people, eliminate the idea of PTV4 and Channel 13 as government station. So if we bring in Willie Revillame, it will be more of a program that will cater to entertainment to the lowest of the lowest among the people. And we are now on the process of just going through the contract, and hopefully we shall be able to finish this in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Medyo mahirap po kasi it's going to be co-prod. Wala ho kaming studio, wala hong studio ang Channel 4. Mahirap po ang mag-produce na walang studio kung wala ho talagang magagamit for that purpose.